This is the traditional thing which is used in Pakistan to cook the karahi, which is also known as chicken karahi. Okay, so like increase the heat. First you'll add some oil, around 3 tablespoons. Tilt the pan, coat it. What happens is this turns the pan into a non-stick pan or a non-stick wok. Heat it up, keep the flame a little low. What you need in the beginning are some pieces of garlic, some onion and some ginger. So first of all, just take the root away, keep it on the side. Finally chop the onion. And keep the root on the side. Always try keeping your counters clean. You'll manage your recipe in a better way. Okay, the oil has come to heat. What you'll do is turn it around, bring the temperature down a bit, reduce the heat more, and now transfer the onions. You'll transfer the onions first. Why? Because you need to cook them to a level where they're soft but not brown. You just have to make them translucent. Add like a pinch of salt to bring out the moisture. Mix it up. I'll keep it on the side. Why? Because the pan is already hot, so I'll keep the flame going on a lighter level. Now what you need is you need to have some finely sliced garlic.